What happened? So how was sky jumping?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Nice views, nice free fall, nice instructor.
Nice.
I'm cool, right?
No.
We're gonna use the soap to stamp these
On it?
on it
Okay.
and use these.
¿Cuál vas a agarrar tú?
Lisa, I stole the key.
Flores.
Here's a turtle. These are kiss turtles.
Todos son muy bonitos.
Hit it once, I think. Espérate, tú ahorita
Yo quiero hacer porque...
¿va a ser lo mismo? Agarra otro diferente.
No, porque poquito más iba a ser mi cumpleaños.
One time.
Okay, I think that's it. Oh no, maybe a couple times then. Is it working?
No.
I think I know how
I'm
to
too
do it.
weak.
You're too weak. You gotta hit it hard.
Probably like.
Hasta para atrás. She's making me nervous. Hasta para acá. Oh, there you go. So that's not supposed to be.
That looks
And then
better.
pull it out.
Probably
Wiggle it,
I'm
wiggle
rooting
it,
right
wiggle
now.
it, wiggle it. Yeah.
My turn.
Nice. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Nice.
Not that
Happy
spread.
birthday! 22 years old. Yeah, you're getting old. Pégale. Pégale. Ok, siéntate, pero no puedes. Dale. Ya, me toca. That looks really, really good. A ver, Risa, enséñame el tuyo.
Porque le entré fuerte al martillo.
Sí.
¿Qué pasa?
Tengo miedo.
Café. ¿Hay chocolate? ¿Quieres chocolate?
Quiero.
¿Quieren chocolate? Vengan.
Got some stuff for my friends. Not too heavy.
本当の友達だったらスターバックスsomething something メナイヤをね。
Papa, mira. That's a little ice cream with chocolate and sprinkles. You like chocolate? Hay pastel también. Hay pastel también. Yeah, hay pastel. Yeah, hay pastel. Yeah, I want. I get pudding.
I'm ready. Want another one?
¿Qué estás comiendo?
Zanahorias.
¿Con qué?
Con ranch.
¿Con ranch? Okay.
¿Qué pasó?
Alright guys, this is I think the first vlog of the week. I got some pizza, a real simple pizza with tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil. And then this is a salad, nothing new for this one. And then some cauliflower, salt, pepper, and some surprise stuff. And then celery.
Hola, mira. Hola. Hola. Wait.
¿No tienes miedo?
¿Ah?
¿No tienes miedo?
No.
No, si alcanzas.
Mira.
Si alcanzas a pisar abajo. No abras los ojos abajo, No, no abras los ojos abajo. Te van a poner... No abras los ojos abajo del agua, te van a poner rojos. Están rojos ya. No tienen frío. She's coming, she's coming. Risa, quítate, Risa, quítate, Risa. Dale. Por enfrente, agarra por enfrente. Ahí. Dale, dale. Yeah, bye bye. Oh! All the way at the bottom, there's one just like single. Yeah, try that one. Whoa! Ahí. Yeah, he's got it. Risa, quítate. He's going backwards. She's going backwards. I can see the fear in your eyes. Watch him. Look at that. Oh, you almost had it. Oh, fast. This will be there. This is normal. You know that's the one I'm going to put on social media, yeah? And I'm tag you on it.
Marrón.
Brown. He says boo. He says boo.
I'm so dark.
Papa, you said boo.
Yes, boo.
Oh, Papa, mira.
¿Qué?
Mi lip is losa.
No, ¿por qué?
No sé, un light.
Duck face.
Mwah. Oh.
Got diamonds by the bolo, come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls, so hectic on the cycle. Ay, had so many bottles, gave her the girl a sip. Out the window of the Benz, so we get seen in the red. And I'm like,
hey guys, this week flew by. It's crazy how fast it went. Monday I had 2 weddings. Tuesday my wedding got canceled, so it was Laura's birthday. She wanted to do skydiving, so I took her there in the morning, and then we went and checked out some, the beaches, the Turtle Beach, and that day went by pretty fast. Wednesday we had another wedding, and I had to do some stuff afterwards. I can't even remember what happened on Thursday. Yesterday, another wedding with a gap in the middle. This time, I brought the girls all to Waikiki, dropped them off at the Discovery Center, and then I met them in the middle of my break. We hanged out, and then I had to go back and shoot while they were at the beach. And now it's Saturday, and I'm rushing trying to hit another wedding. It's been a really busy week, and it just flew by. It's crazy how fast it did. So I'm here already. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I just woke up from crashing. I don't know if I crashed because I ate some peanut butter with some celery, or because of, you know, being so busy that I've been going to sleep late and waking up early. But we were supposed to do Nabe or hot pot, but I fell asleep, so I didn't go grocery shopping, and so I just looked in the refrigerator and this is what I found. I'm gonna make some pizza. So I got the crust cooking. That's the chicken crust. So I used to make my own pizza sauce, but it takes too long, and I found that olive oil by itself is pretty good. So I'm being lazy, so I'm just gonna dump it in the middle. And then instead of the pizza sauce, I'm gonna add some tomatoes. So I'll take a tomato and just kind of split it around. It's still warm, I just took it out of the oven. And so I'll do all these toppings. Just kind of try to distribute it as best I can. And then, I'm acting like the tomatoes and sauce, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of that. Zucchini. This is the first time I put zucchini in there, but I've learned to like zucchini a lot recently. I love it. That, and then I'll throw some garlic. Oh, I forgot I got some sausage that I cooked in some bacon fat. ¿Ya están?
Yeah.
¿Están? ¿Lisa quieres? Ven pues.
Lisa no puede caminar porque su pie está
The onion. Maybe likes onion, so I'm gonna add a bunch. Put the sausage, and then I add some more cheese on top. This is all bacon fat, which used to be nasty looking for me, but now I know it has the best flavor, it has the most calories without making me fat. It does not give me acne either, so contrary to popular belief. In fact, I think, check my skin out. I think my skin probably looks better now compared to, like, I remember a picture when VA was born. I made it black and white, and you can see almost every imperfection on my face just because of the lighting and the contrast. But now, even though I'm eating really heavy fats, fatty foods, it actually looks not perfect, but whatever. Alright, so once I put the toppings, you gotta be careful when you shake it, because if you shake it too much, any round toppings are gonna fall off. You gotta walk it in. It's really hot right now. And then once you get most of it in there, boom. And then that system was only like 15 bucks, so it's definitely worth it. This one was it's too big. Alright, so here it is. It's a little bit overcooked, but should be nice and crunchy, which I love. Let's get ready. ¿Cuál perro? Está arriba. It's lazy Sunday today.
Mío. No te ves de ahí.
¿Qué?
Ayúdame con tocar a botar. Papi, ayúdame a botar.
Hey guys, so today's Sunday. I actually didn't expect this to show up today, but it's here. I've decided that since we're going on our vacation to Hokkaido, using my phone for vlogging only, is great. It's just good to have a backup in case my phone dies, and I can keep vlogging with something else. So what I decided to do is I bought the Canon EOS PowerShot. This thing is pretty. It's actually a refurbished model. I was trying to buy used so I don't spend as much money, but didn't have any used, so I just ended up buying the refurbished. So this is it right here. As you can see, it has a screen. I really like how it looks. There were other cameras that I liked, especially like obviously the Canon GS7. I think it's like the go-to vlogging, but that one's $700. I didn't want to invest that much on a camera that I was only going to use the video for. And then most likely I'm still going to use the phone for most of it. After I charge the battery, I'll give you guys a review. So yeah, I can't wait to use this, and I'll see you guys. Yeah, it's dinner time. It's Sunday. We're doing Nabe again. It's like the third time in a week. We got friends here chilling. The only ones that watch the videos, I think. In the beginning. And we have Nabe, we got some pork belly, we got some chicken on standby, and then salad. Yeah. That's dinner. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.